A few years ago in Duma, Hilltop youth settlers put fire on one of the houses. The parents and the baby son were killed. And the other son was rescued alive, but he lost his family.
We haven't done enough for redeeming the land of Israel. No chance whatsoever for establishing a Palestinian state.
Gangs of extreme settlers are raiding Palestinian communities with complete impunity.
We must to kill them. I couldn't see a way we could keep them alive.
אנחנו נוסעים לגבעת עוביה. ברוך השם. ההר כבר בידי עם ישראל, תכף גם הוא יפרח. ענק!
My name is Nati Rom, I'm a pioneer.
What usually people call settler.
Exactly.
Agmar, it's settlers units.
This is our destiny. This is a divine war.
These are a group of racist fascists who are willing to do anything to impose Jewish supremacy.
אני חושב שדם ואדמה זה די בא ביחד, כן. אם נצטרך להרוג, אז נהרוג.
The hilltop youth of the settlers are dangerous, are provocative, are hostile, are violent, and they have to be contained.
We are in this boat because we are planning to go back to Gaza Strip.
תראה, הנה עזה.